Hi viewers, welcome to Blood Test. It's been some time since we were able to meet you all. Some of us were not quite doing well, and now we have come with a very good energy, and the next few topics we are going to give you is really going to be a life changer for those of you who's going to do a laboratory business and is also doing a laboratory business. This particular video is very important for those of you who want to start a healthcare business. This topic is going to deal with why you need to start a healthcare business. We are all humans. Till this world exists, human race is going to be there. Any other business you take, it might fade away, not the healthcare business, because it is directly related to your health and well-being. Taking a healthcare business is never going to let you down. First point. Second point, if you're going to do a laboratory business, invariably you're going to get connected with your society. There are a lot of business in which you don't deal with people. It is just like you sell a product to some source and you go off. But when you want to get connected with your society, healthcare is a very wonderful opportunity. The second point I want to substantiate with this is that this is a very noble profession. You take doctors, you take nursing staff, you start a medical laboratory, you start a pharmacy. Invariably, you're doing some service to your society. People are going to come in suffering to you. If you're going to give them medicines, it is going to make them well. If you're going to do some blood test and if you're going to show them that this is the problem, we can sort this out, definitely you're going to change their life in a small way, but it is going to really benefit your society. So if you're a person who wants to get connected with your society, healthcare business is really a wonderful opportunity. The third question you might ask me, whether I can earn profit. I don't know anything about a laboratory business. How am I going to do it? Or I am into a medical profession, but I don't know whether I'm a person who can do business, whether I can excel a business. See, there are certain things to be followed before you start a healthcare business. You have to choose a place, and there are a lot of meticulous things when you're going to do. Laboratory business is definitely a profitable business, like we do it for our clients. The fourth important thing is that you might be a person or an entrepreneur who doesn't want to connect with clients directly. Sometimes you want to have only very specialized products in your business. This laboratory business, you can take it in both the modules, either a B2B module or a B2C module. B2C model is a very common thing in which you directly connect with your people. When you're going to take a B2B model, you can have one specialized product, like you can have a molecular laboratory, you can have a genetic laboratory, you can have an R&D laboratory. This will be a very unique product which you're going to have, and you collect samples from the city itself, from all the hospitals, all the clinics, all the nursing homes, and you're going to run in your laboratory. In this genre of business when you're going to do, and if you want to do such a specialized type of product selling through your laboratory business, that is also possible when you're going to take this sector of healthcare business. Coming to the fifth important point, or the pointer which substantiates why you need to start a laboratory business, is that when you're going to start a laboratory, you can attach an OPD to it, you can attach a pharmacy to it. You're running already a pharmacy, you can attach a laboratory to it, you can attach an OPD to it. You can also have physiotherapy centers, dental clinics. So healthcare business is always a cocoon in which you can keep on adding other allied business also. So this is about healthcare business and why you need to start a healthcare business. If you're a person who wants to come into this healthcare business and wants guidance and start a laboratory business, we are definitely there to help you out through our blood test consultancy. Our details are below to contact us. Our email ID is pathlabstartup@gmail.com, and our WhatsApp number is also mentioned below in the description. This is Dr. Lalita Sendal. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share to all of those who wants to start a healthcare business. Thank you. Signing off.